Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play the old hymn, What a Friend We Have in Jesus. Now hymns are notorious for having a lot of chords in them because they're most of the time written on the piano, so they usually have a lot of chords, but I'm going to take this song and simplify it down to just 3 chords on the guitar, so we're going to make it nice and simple for you. So let's go ahead and get started with the lesson.
What a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear, all because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Can we find a friend so faithful who will all our sorrow share? Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Are we weak and heavy laden, covered with a load of care? Precious Savior, still our refuge. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Do thy friends despise, forsake thee? Take it to the Lord in prayer. In his arms he'll take and shield thee. Thou wilt find a solace there.
So as I said at the beginning, I'm only going to be using 3 chords, and those 3 chords are going to be part of the C chord family. So I'm using the C chord, the F over C chord, and the G chord. Now you could use the traditional F instead of F over C to play this song, but the reason I'm using the F over C is because it fits nicely with the C chord family. It makes transitioning a lot easier. That transition from C to F over C is nice and easy, and plus you don't have to bar anything, so it makes it a lot easier to play. So for the strumming of this song, we're going to be using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern, and we're going to have 4 down strums with up strums added after beats 3 and 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and like that. Now for this pattern, we're just going to be plucking the first note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So since we're starting the song on C, the first note of the C chord is going to be your A string, which is your C note. So the E string is not part of this chord, so you're not going to be playing it. You got to start on that A string. So on beat 1, we're just going to pluck that A string by itself. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, like that. So we want to be strumming harder on beats 2 and 4. So every other beat on 2 and 4, we want to strum harder. So 1 and 3 are going to be softer strums. Again, 1 is just 1 string by itself. And also 3 is going to be just a softer strum. You can just hit maybe 2 or 3 strings. The idea is that we're going to have 2 and 4 louder, more prominent, and 1 and 3 are going to be softer. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1. All right, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also make any comments down below if you have song suggestions for me that you'd like me to cover. All right, hopefully I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.